Joseph Francois Dupleix was the Governor General of which of the following East India Companies in India? French East India Companies. Indian sports person Praveen Chitraval, who missed out on a medal of Commonwealth Games 2022 but made a strong comeback to win silver at the Asian Championship with a national indoor record, is associated with which of the following sports? Triple jump indoor. Final goods are divided into consumption goods and capital goods. Nina Prasad was awarded the Sangeet Nata Academy Award 2021 for her contribution to Mohiniyattam. Polkut is a Thanksgiving festival of which Indian state? Mizoram. Which of the following is an incorrect statement in regard to meaning of Union of State in the Indian context? Indian Federation was the result of an agreement by sovereign units to join it. With German chemists under the technique of preparing hydrocarbons by electrolysis of solution of salts of fatty acid. Herman Colby. Which 5-year plan in India is referred to as Mahalanobis Plan? Second 5-year plan. Who among the following founded the Indian Association along with Anand Mohan Bose? Surendranath Banerjee. Which of the following statement is correct about the value of money? Only 3 is correct. That is, it is indirectly related to the price level. Mulayam Singh Yadav posthumously received the Padma Vibhushan in 2023. In which category did he receive the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2023? Public Affairs. Which measures in the Reserve Bank of India are most likely to take to combat inflation in the economy? Only A. Increase repo rate. Between who among the following did the Battle of Chandawar take place? Jai Chand and Muhammad Ghori. Which vitamin is synthesized in the presence of sunlight in our body? Vitamin D. Who among the following Indian Grandmaster won the Indian first ever silver medal at FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Championship 2022? Koneru Hampi. The stabilization function of the government budget mainly includes intervention to expand or reduce the demand. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the Deccan Plateau? The Satpura Range is in the south of the plateau. In which dialdehyde are 2 formal groups attached to adjacent carbon centers on benzene ring and form fluorescent conjugation product with primary amines. Taldehyde. The folk dance of Chavithukali is associated with which of the following Indian state? Kerala. The density of population of India as per the census of 1951 is 117 per square kilometer. The constitutions of free India must be framed without outside interference by a constituent assembly elected on the basis of adult franchise. Who made this statement? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which states are involved in a joint venture of Chambal project? Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Who among the following Indian music composers won Grammy Award in the year 2023? Ricky Case. Match the column name of shifting agriculture and related state. Juming, Northeast region, Dahia, Madhya Pradesh, Penda, Andhra Pradesh, Kumari, Western Ghats. while Barker Cup in boxing is given to most outstanding boxer in the Olympic Games, but it was not awarded in the Olympic Games of 2020.